target power trigger trade. All right, I'm going to be showing you another winning plan in ROKU. I've been making plans in ROKU since, you can see here, July the 22nd. This was a winning plan as well, but this is a plan that I posted inside of PowerGroupTrades. Let me show you what I'm talking about for the again, a double whammy winner in ROKU. I've been talking about ROKU since July the 22nd. All right, so here's the plan that I posted August the 9th. ROKU is a great stock to buy. This favors a test 60 and higher. This is more of a longer term hold, but is now the new leader in the media sector and is above key points that puts it in favor of doing so. All right, so let's take a look at this here. Okay, so I'm going to click over here. Okay, again, I am the leader. I am the big picture expert. Okay, and I do this all the time, just like with great gains in AMD, you know, and again, that hit the news. See, I'm the big picture expert. There are clowns out there. They're all damn clowns out there. All right, now. So ROKU is set up to test 58 to 65. This depends on the power hitting 58. The lower range is 58 to 63. Anyways, I give the explanation here. But actually, so let me just let this go here. This post, I got to let go. But you could see there where I point the arrows. September 18, the 55 calls, they cost $200, $208, okay? For the September 21 55 calls that you see over here. Now they are, if I let go, you can see I can't point there directly, but you're going to see the arrows. You look at the arrows where I'm pointing, and you can see the price, okay? Because the bid and ask wasn't showing that day when I posted this plan. So ROKU is a buy above 52. Above 52.80 is even better pivot point. Above those points is an easy hold and buy. Okay, so I gave those instructions. Okay, so now I'm going to close this here. Okay, and here it is. ROKU confirming here August the 9th, okay? Because this was posted on August the 9th, and on August the 9th it confirmed. ROKU confirming with the September 21 55 calls at 340. You see, the 55 was spread out a bit, but you saw the options at the time, they costed only $208, right? So ROKU, because this went strong, we had to pay up a little higher, okay? The options price almost went up about, well, we would say about 50%, okay? But the confirmation was at $340 for the September 21 55 calls. This 55, when I typed it, was a little bit spread, but as you can see in the plan, it explained the 55 calls and points it. Now let me show you, let's take a look at the outcomes so far. Okay, so here we are in the charts. August the 24th, as you can see over here, and ROKU is now at 63.26. This looks to go even better than the targets that I explained, okay? And I've also rolled into some other options. But as you can see here, the right here, the September 18 55 calls right here closed at practically, well, we'll say $885. Okay, so greater than 150% gains, okay, from the $350 entry, right? So there you have it, people. And again, this is still set up to go higher, but I'm showing that, you know, you want to be taking some, you know, you should have been taking some profits and holding runners, okay? Already greater than 150% gains, okay? And this is big picture thinking, you know. This is what I've done this with AMD. I'm going to show you the AMD video in this as well. You should check out the AMD. AMD hit news before the facts. Power trigger trade, big picture expert. You want to check out the AMD plan. Right? That's why I'm the big picture. You think everybody can do this stuff? No, they can't. They can't see it like Power Trigger Trade does it. Okay, billionaire mind. Okay, you have the big picture expert on your side. Wake up and smell the coffee. That's why I make these videos, to wake people up to the power of the Power Trigger Trade. Wake up, smell the coffee. All right, people. So there you have it, right over here. Who documents it and shows it for you to see with your own eyes, your own mind? Think about it. Who's the problem? Is it you? Are you your own problem? Wake up, see the power. All right, people, welcome to Power Trigger Trade. Confirmation is key. Study this pinned tweet video. It's very simple. If you can't follow those instructions in that, you're going to be a loser in life. I'm going to tell you. What do you think? Power Trigger Trade, I sugarcoat things. I tell it the way it is. Most people destined for failure. I say majority. See? Yeah. I have experience in this. I know what a winner is and what a loser is. And a lot of people are born to lose. Because even with the big picture expert on their side, they still make bad decisions. This is a video showing you this winning trade in ROKU, about telling people to wake up and smell the coffee. Look at stuff like AMD. Okay, look at the same. When I tell you to study and look at my videos, and there's people that can't even follow instructions and they wonder why they're not making money in the markets. This is the highest profession in the world. You understand what the market is? The highest profession in the world. All right now. And you want to think you're going to make money just by following anybody's advice? You're out to lunch, people. You're out to lunch. All right now. If you think that. This is the highest profession in the world. You have to have the strongest mind. You understand? The strongest mind you have to have. And I have that mind. You have the mind of steel. Okay? So have the power, have the mind of steel help you. All right now. So listen up, people. Listen when I tell you. You understand? All right now. Customization over here. Study the created playlist. Great gains in Apple's, Amazon. It doesn't end. I'm the big picture of the SPY. I've been talking about the SPY since. You should check out this video on the thing. See the words I explain. See the big picture. I decimate out there. There's absolutely no one that says it like PowerGroupTrades. Absolutely no one can make plans like this. They can't do it. They don't have the vision. The world record holder has no vision. I show September 11, 2016 the difference between me and him. I annihilate him in skills. Annihilate. In the real investing world now, this is where it counts, being able to adapt to the market, man. You have to adapt. You can't be thinking back in year 2000. The market's always changing and you must adapt. If you're not an adapter, you're finished. You're never going to make money in the markets. The stock clown's been wrong. This is my little rant here, but you know what? Study what I'm telling you. Also, subscribe to me here. Let's go to my website quickly here. See this Google L? See this video. Subscribe. I'm going to be sending messages, okay? I'm going to be sending special email messages. I'm also a health expert. I'm going to be opening up people's eyes. Again, many people are still going to fail. They don't have what it takes to succeed in life. They will remain ill. But if you listen to the words of PowerGroupTrades, I'm going to change your life. I guarantee you. I have this power and passion to help those who really want to change, okay? It doesn't mean I can help everybody, because not everybody wants to be helped, because they're too blind, they're too lazy. When you have the big picture expert on your side. All right now. Enough getting mad. But you know, it's just I see too much laziness out there. Too much laziness. I have so much powerful proof over here. Right? And then check out this AMD video here. Winning plan. Okay? You hear AMD in the news, how it's overtaking Intel. I've talked about AMD at $12, that there was a shift. A monumental shift possibly happened. I didn't bother getting into AMD until now in these areas, in the $20 area, right? But I saw the big picture, the big seismic shift. Never mind little baby, some traders saying that AMD is going to go to 23. Anyways, people, study this video, study the fact, open your mind, subscribe to this. If you have a YouTube channel, if you don't have one, get one, subscribe here, man. If you have one already, I'm going to speak to you one-on-one. Let's see what I say. All right, people. Now that we just finished watching that great detailed video, don't forget to look at my banner. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you check out my creative playlist. Make sure you study before taking action on PowerGroupTrades. Every plan that I make has great detailed instructions. And I put my heart and soul in it because I want my subscribers and followers to make great money in the markets. But you have to study, people. Let me show you a way to subscribe. Let's see a picture of me around here in a circle format. Simply click on it and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget, people, at the end of the video to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like